Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as some of you know, I own a near infrared filtered X4S camera for my Inspire 2 and almost never use it. So this week I figured we'd slap it on the drone and take some aerial footage. So no, your monitor or phone or whatever you're watching this video on did not just break. This is the actual footage that near infrared camera takes. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Like this video, subscribe if that's something you're into, and remember you can always follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So until next time, bye-bye.